Yo, what's up, guys? How's it going? This is going to be a full video review of Link. So basically, I was just doing my daily research and I figured out these particular tools. So I just said, let me check it out, and I said that this tool is all about Link Shortener for different social media and basically for business owners. So and it supports different platforms. So and I figured out that there are a lot of benefits for using these particular tools. So that's why I try to make a full video review on how it works and how you can also use it for your content. And then we're gonna be checking on the pricing to see how much it's gonna cost to get these tools. So you can see 10x conversion with direct to app link, so and no credit card needed to get started. So it's work with over 100 plus mobile app and iOS alongside with Android device. So Amazon, Walmart, Target, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Spotify, Messenger, WhatsApp. I think I forgot this one name, and then this one as well. I forgot this one too. So scrolling all the way down, you can also see the benefit of using Link. So it's linktw.in. So like Link, right? So I'm gonna also leave the link in the description. So who is Link for? So it's for seller and affiliate, content creator, and music and podcast marketers, just like it was stated on the at the top. So you can see Walmart, Target, Amazon, Vimeo, Instagram, YouTube, and then Spotify, SoundCloud, and music. So scrolling all the way down, you also see that it supports everything you need to optimize every click. So while I was checking about the software or tools, so I also say that it will show where people are actually clicking the link from and the country. If you put a link on Facebook, it will tell you that this person clicking on your link is coming from Facebook, and this person is from maybe United States or UK or Canada, thereabouts. So automatic deep linking, detailed analytics, retargeting, and pixels. Then you can also see some custom link preview and some other features, which of course I believe you're gonna be very much interested in, right? So then the next thing we're gonna check is the pricing, which is also very important, and these are frequently asked questions just in case you want to look into that. So like I said, the pricing is very, very important. So let's try to check on the price and let's see how much it's gonna cost you to start using Link. So for the monthly plan, it costs $19 for small business and content creators, and for the medium you're gonna be paying $49, and then for the large, which is for agency and businesses with high volume, so you'll be paying $99. And scrolling all the way down, you also see Smart Link Unlimited, or everything unlimited right here. Data retention 1 year. This one, data retention is 90 days. So branded domain for this one too. No branded domain for this one. So all plan include tracking pixels, geo targeting, and some other things, which of course is gonna make your link so perfect. And for the free plan, you're gonna get unlimited smart link, 1000 link clicks per month, and 14 days data retention, and all features are included. So no branded domain, no team members, no custom aliases, so then no export of data as well. So there will be a limit to what you can actually benefit from Link. But if you're a business owner, I believe you can go for either the small business owner plan or the premium plan or the large plan. And if you use the link in this description to sign up, or use Mosby to sign on your checkout page, you're gonna get a discount on your or any plan you actually go for. So if you use the link in the description, but then if you don't want to, everything is still good, right? So I'm gonna be going or getting started with the free plan. So I'm gonna click on get started right here. Then it's asking me to sign up, which way I actually want to use to sign up. So I'll prefer to go with my Google email account, and if I don't want to do that, I can input the email I want to sign up with, then input the password, then confirm password, and check this box, then check this I'm now a robot, then click on register. But since I'll be going with my Google account, so I'm gonna click on sign in with Google. Then it's gonna ask me which Gmail I want to use. So once I click on the Gmail, I'm gonna click on confirm. Then it's gonna take me straight down to the inside of the platform, which is LinkedIn, right? So you can see, welcome to LinkedIn. You have been successfully logged in. You have used or you have used 0 of 1,000 free clicks this month. Reset in 30 days. Upgrade now to unlock all features and avoid interruptions, right? So this is the left side bar. You can see links, archive links, expired link settings, tracking pixels, and then some other features which of course you might also very interested in. And there's a QR code right here. There's statistic, which is also very important, right? So this is the dashboard right here. So, and this is how you can start creating a link. So, and you can see there is a multiple link creation right here. So you can see multiple. So I can paste up to 10 long URL right here, 1 URL per line. Then if I click on create, it's gonna create all the URL for me and gonna shorten them for me. So I'm gonna try that and let's see how it works. So basically my YouTube channel is youtube.com /at 3.2 million, right? So let me add the https dot, right? So this link is correct. This is the link to my channel, right? So the next I'm gonna do is to click on create link. All right, so the link has been created, and this is the link given to me as my short link. So there's a QR code created for the link as well, which of course if I scan this QR code, it's gonna take me straight down to the channel. So I'm gonna do that on my iPhone right here and see if it works. All right, LinkedIn, let's see if it's right. Open this page in YouTube. Open. Oh wow, this really worked. Like, it doesn't show me like a third party, for example, me saying LinkedIn website before taking me to YouTube. It doesn't take me to LinkedIn at all, no third party at all. So it's just like you creating or you clicking direct link to YouTube, you understand? So then you can copy link, and then let me try to paste right here. Try to paste right here, so you can see right there. So it doesn't take me to LinkedIn website or just to see some sort of anything. So it takes me down to YouTube, which is quite amazing to me, right? So that is how it works. And if you want to create a badge link or a multiple link using this method, so you can see the link has been created right here. This is the link that we created, so you can see right here, and it will be counting based on how you are getting clicks, right? It will be counting based on how you are getting links. So let's say I want to create multiple links right here, so I will try to get some links. So let me do this. All right, so I have these 2 links right here. So but they say you can paste up to 10 links, so I don't have 10 links, so I only have these 2. So I'm gonna see if let's see how that works. You can see I already select the multiple link. which is why we are able to do it this way. So if you click on single, then you have to paste in just a single link, right? So I'm going to click on create, and I think there's a settings right here which is also very important. You can see domain that you want to select. So there's another domain right here which is linktw.n, which is also their link as well, so you can select any one of them. But then if you go for the large plan, so definitely you're gonna see your own custom domain right here. So once you see your custom domain, you're gonna select that, and then your link will be created in your own short link, right? So, and then you also have password protection right here for your link. So if you input a password protection, so this way you can nobody will be able to have access to your link, or else they have the password to that particular link, which is quite amazing to me. Like, that really makes sense, right? So I'm gonna click on create a link, then link has been created. So let's say free user can create a link for approved domain and apps only. To create a link for any website, please upgrade to a premium plan. So I'm not sure if I'm creating a link for any of this, so let me try to reload this page. Alright, so you can see this one actually show my location, iPhone, Safari. Exactly, that's what I did. Yeah, that makes sense. So let me try the multiple link, then paste in the link again. Okay. Alright, so these are the two links I want to create. So let's see, create link. Alright, so I guess I cannot create multiple link just like that. So here is the link to google.com. I don't think I post any link to Google, but then I guess this is not working for multiple links. So basically it will work for your personal domain, right? So instead of that, you can just use this single option right here. That still makes sense to me, right? So this is how you can keep on creating your link, and then you can also do the password protection, which is also very possible. And if you want to see all your links, you can click on the links on the link management on the left hand side right here. Then you're gonna see all the link you have created. So just for me, I've just created this particular link with one click. So you can see right here. So I think this makes sense. So you can also archive links. If you are not interested in that link again, you can archive it on this. You can see archive selected. You can just select it like this, then you archive it. So then select all. If you have multiple links that you want to archive, you can also select all and do that. Then you can also add some collection to a link. You can also add the pixels. You can also delete a link. So to me, this tool is actually amazing. I'm gonna be creating more content around these tools, just in case you sign up on the platform and then you are trying to find a way around it. So I'll be making more video around it. And if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below. And if you want to sign up on this website, you can use the link in the description, because you're gonna get a discount for using that link to sign up on LinkedIn. Thank you.